Let's see how to remove extra space in between lines in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, what we can do to remove extra space in between these lines is head on over to the Home tab. Now, click on the icon right here, which refers to the line and paragraph spacing. When you open that, that will lead you to this drop-down list of different line spacing options, which you can choose from. Now, the smallest line spacing that Microsoft allows is 1. So let's go ahead and choose that. Make sure you highlight your text before you choose your line spacing. Now let's go ahead and change this to 1. And you'll see that the spaces in between the lines have been removed. And that is how you can remove extra space in between lines in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.